Improve your English.
My CV. As an engineer, I have always been fascinated by the way things work. From an early age, I would spend hours taking apart old electronics and putting them back together, just to see how they functioned. As I grew older, my passion for engineering only grew stronger. After completing my degree in mechanical engineering, I began my career at a well-known aerospace company. I worked on a variety of projects, from designing and testing new aircraft components to improving manufacturing processes. It was an exciting and challenging job that pushed me to constantly innovate and think outside the box. But after several years, I began to feel like something was missing. While I enjoyed the technical aspects of my work, I wanted to make a more tangible impact on the world. I decided to pursue a job in renewable energy, where I could use my skills to help create a more sustainable future. I was fortunate enough to land a job at a startup focused on developing innovative solar technology. As a member of the engineering team, I was responsible for designing and testing new solar panels and inverters. It was a thrilling experience to be part of a company that was at the forefront of the renewable energy revolution. Over the years, I have had the opportunity to work on a variety of renewable energy projects, including wind turbines, hydroelectric power plants, and geothermal systems. Each project has presented its own unique challenges and opportunities for growth. But through it all, my passion for engineering has remained strong. Looking back at my career, I am proud of the work I have accomplished and the impact I have made on the world. I am excited to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the field of engineering and to use my skills to help create a better future for generations to come.
Listen and repeat.
My CV. My CV. Fascinated. Fascinated. Taking apart. Taking apart. Electronics. Electronics. Passion. Passion. Strong. Strong. Aerospace. Aerospace. Component. Component. Carrier. Carrier. Manufacturing. Manufacturing. Variety. Variety. Design. Design. Constantly innovative. Constantly innovative. Tangible impact. Tangible impact. Pursue. Pursue. Renewable. Renewable. Solar. Solar. Sustainable. Sustainable. Fortunate. Fortunate. Thrilling. Thrilling. Revolution. Revolution. Forefront of. Forefront of. Opportunity. Opportunity. Hydroelectric. Hydroelectric. Wind turbines. wind turbines. Geothermal, geothermal. Challenge, challenge. Accomplished, accomplished. Pushing, pushing. Boundary, boundary. Presented, presented. Generations, generations. Remained, remained.
Good, now answer the questions.
What was the author's first job after completing their degree in mechanical engineering? What inspired the author to pursue a career in renewable energy? What types of renewable energy projects has the author worked on?